Okay, so hi class, this is the middle tutorial. So for example, I got middle one. It means that I have William Shakespeare's fact, and here is the instruction. You're going to adapt the material above to GTM and reading class using communicative approach. So you need to have two class procedures or two class teaching procedures. Here, show the steps on which real character of the method are reflected. This one, second number considering goes to be the GTM. For GTM, then show the steps on which macro and micro of reading skill are reflected. This goes to be number 2. And then number 4, on what level. So you need to explain why it's supposed to be that level. And your middle submission going to be like this. First, there are going to be two tables. The first one that goes to be the GTM, and the second one is going to be reading and communicative approach. If you have audiolingual, so this is audiolingual and this is listening. If you have triple P, this is triple P, and this one is listening too, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and then here for GTM. First, your name. It should be full name, and this is your student number, and this is the teaching posture and level. You go with, for example, intermediate, and you give the explanation of why you need to be to set up this teaching postures for intermediate level. And then next is you go with the pray, while, and pause. For pray, so this is the first thing before you go with the reading. And then while here is the main reading teaching, or the main teaching of reading using GTM. And then pause here. Pause is your conclusion of your of the whole activity. And here for the first, for example, pre-reading. Let the students find out difficult words on dictionaries. Okay, so find out difficult words on dictionary. It means that this is the main character of GTM, that is translation. Right, and then for while and pause, for example, while memorizing, and this is also GTM characteristic of memorizing, and so on. And you go with the reading communicative approach. This is the second procedure, or the second teaching procedures. You go with, for example, novice and so on, and the teaching step is set up class in 3 groups. So this is no, this is not the GTM translation. For example, so this is not no skills, and then go with the whiles. Give different reading to different groups. For example, group 1 is the Shakespeare's fact. This is the Shakespeare's fact, and then second is marriage, and then the last is Shakespeare's work. Okay, and then group 1 fact, group 2 group 1, then group 2, and so on. Here, give different reading to different group and let them understand. Let students understand what is the paragraph about. So it goes to be macro skill. Whenever you have micro skill, for example, let the student find out the year when Shakespeare's first, or when is the year when Shakespeare's have his first playwright. It goes to be micro. Okay, so for here the conclusion is you're going to have 2 table. The first is on the first GTM audiolingual or triple P, and then the second table